the course is a unique blend of business, quality and science modules, and it's aimed at graduates from the life sciences. From the business perspective, students will undertake modules in finance, communications, marketing. They'll also be introduced to entrepreneurship through leadership and teams, and also through managing innovation. Underpinning all of this is the key module, which is Advanced Biopharmaceutical Therapeutics. And here students will learn about all of the different biopharmaceutical products that are on the market today. So the students will learn about how these products are developed and produced, and also how they're tested. Of course, the research module is really a great opportunity that occurs in semester 2, and that allows students to bring together all of what they have learned and to put forward their own ideas on a novel biopharmaceutical. So I think that's one of the ones that stands out. So this is a 1-year program. It's 60 credits, but students can progress into year 2 if they wish, and continue on with their research to complete a master's. So the second year of the program is mainly focused on a continuation of the research project, which they start in semester 2 of the first year. So the minimum entry requirement is a 2:2 degree in a level 8 science discipline. So for example, students coming from any of the life sciences such as biology, biochemistry, microbiology, but it's not limited to that. Biomedical engineering students, for example, may also meet the requirements. Those who are interested in the course but may not meet the minimum entry requirements are strongly encouraged to contact us here in the department, particularly our head of department, to discuss how their past experience and education might be recognised through the RPL procedure here in ATU. So here at ATU, we have regular seminars by industry leaders from the region, but also from various different industries such as medical device and pharmaceutical, biopharmaceutical, and they come on site to give seminars. And the students from this program, as well as our other graduate programs, would be invited to attend these seminars here on site, or they can listen in online also. In addition to that, there are some on-site activities at specific times during the year, and that would be day-long workshops, but students would be advised of those dates early on, so again they can plan for those in advance. This program is aimed at graduates who are interested in getting into the biopharmaceutical manufacturing industry. So these may be new graduates or entry-level graduates who've just started in industry. It also caters for those that are well established in their roles in industry, but because of the business aspects of this program, it's ideal for those who are wishing to progress further in their careers. Ultimately, graduates could expect to end up in roles such as leadership roles, so either as process scientists, technical specialists, validation engineers, or particularly business development roles would be interesting as well. What's special about this course is the unique blend of the business, quality and science modules all coming together. Most science graduates wouldn't have the opportunity to participate or to learn about the business aspect of how the science industry runs, and here we're giving them a great opportunity to gain those skills. And we're also encouraging people to think outside the box and develop their own ideas, and I think that's what makes this program in particular very unique.